Here's the update. We didn't pull out the camera till we know we were for sure stuck. So today, we are taking Star to her appointment. Stillwater to the OSU vet ranch. We're gonna rebreed her. We're gonna go load her up. Gonna grab her and her baby. This colt right here is by a stud named a Vintage Smoke. He's an all black stud. He's gonna be selling at the Markle sale in December or November. This is Star of Tinseltown, granddaughter of Hollywood Dunnett, granddaughter of Colonel Smoking Gun. It's full of energy. She's running around. Look at her. Hopefully she's ready to rebreed. Gonna breed her to SG Frozen Enterprise. I'll put a picture like right here. Right now it's me, Brian, and Mart. Gonna head out there. When we get back, we're planning on branding and tagging some of our replacement heifers and putting them in the book so we know where they're at and all that. I didn't record us taking her off and everything, but we're here at the vet. She's gonna stay till Tuesday. Gonna head to the house. Hopefully, if it's not raining, we're gonna go pick up those replacement heifers and go brand them and take them back to the field they're at. What happened?
That guy right there, he might need some lessons on backing up one day. What happened to your tailgate? Somebody hit it?
That looks normal. Does that look good?
You got it for cheap, that's one?
Yeah. See, but is that how it's supposed to look? If your ball hitch don't come in like that when you buy one, return it. How many hits? How many hits? For Marcos?
Watch.
All right.
Just like that.
What Zig? How many? One or two or three?
Quisiera que hicieran fila. Tú también. Todos.
Hey, I don't want fila.
What about you?
Que se vengan uno por uno o todos se montan a la barra. Vengan.
I'm gonna just stand right here quiet.
What about this dude? Well, how many are you taking?
Easiest one.
He can go first. Last don't matter.
Los más grandotes caen más suaves.
It's the next day. What is it? Friday? But we corralled up the replacement heifers. Took us only about what? 5 tries?
20.
Probably gonna go eat some family cafe and then head back here, or pick them up and then take them to the shop and then bring them right back.
What's up, Earl? This is Billy Earl. Billy Earl.
So right now we're unhooking it from this truck and we're gonna hook it back onto the black truck.
Let's put some more.
Yeah, but let's careful. Hey! Hey! How many we got here? Here's the update. We didn't pull out the camera till we know we were for sure stuck. We're loaded down, so we're trying to hurry up. We got the cavalry here.
You don't work with a zero? Okay, man. The cavalry right here.
Well, okay, listen to me. Listen to me, Bubba.
Good, how are you?
All right, real close. Look at your angle. Look at your angle here.
Bro, what happened?
Bro.
What were you doing? Chilling? You can't chill in peace?
Taking a nap.
Gotta save the day, you know. All right.
Pedro's mad, so I don't even want to talk to him. But let's see what happens. Time to let the cows out, man. Fuck.
Come on. Hey, go. Go.
Let's go.
Go. Hold up. Hold up. You got no chain?
Yeah, right here in the back. I don't know about y'all, but this we're in for a treat right now.
Go! Woo! Yeah! That's all we need is a Lincoln Binkin. Woo! It's the Lincoln or what, Chicano? That's how we do it, huh?
Hey, it's a rebuilt Dodge is what it is.
Huh?
Ford, no rebuilt Dodge.
Yeah. Oh, yeah?
Bro, you did all the work.
I know. You did all the work.
I didn't, you did.
I didn't do
What's the tow fee?
about $1,000. He was on holiday because he was arrested.
Holiday?
It was not his normal hours.
Weekend, bro. Man, you can't give us a little special rate.
Maybe 10% off.
10%?
Veterans discount. Veteran discount.
So that's...
On to load 2. Look at his feet. Hey, hey, hey. So we load it up. Chain them up right there, man.
Going to Fabian's house. About he'll get us a drink.
What's your go-to?
My
right
go-to
here?
right now, like we're working heifers.
Energy,
you know?
or are you just thirsty?
I'm just thirsty, so I'm gonna just go for this core water right here. Now, if I was feeling some energy, I might bust a Celsius out, but
What are these?
I don't know why he's about to drink those horrendous drinks.
These right here, look.
If you ever
And I'm
need
tired.
something to drink, do not drink that.
Where you going?
That's what I'll do.
Yellow wood. Running the extension cord through up here, so it's not in the way. One more.
This is.
Yeah, he's on the way. He's got the tags.
You see it spin.
On your way back down, give a good little spin, see what? We'll put sexy red on the video. What? It's fun?
You gotta
You haven't done this in a while?
In a while.
What were you doing over there in college?
Yep. That's 3. Yeah. Oh, anybody could do that. Do a muscle up. Just put the first ones in by the start. Got the ear tags. Yeah, markers, brand. There we go. Let's see how long it takes us.
We're putting 23 on them because that's the year they were born. And we're keeping track of the ear tag numbers. So once we put them in the books, we know what.
Right now, we're just putting on some ear tags, branding them, giving them their shots. We're gonna get it done.
look at that.
Look at this nice bow. Yeah. Put about, just put all of them in there. Come on. Hey. Put all of them in. Shut the gate up there. Just so they're not in this pen. Hey, 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 shh, shh, hey. You got some that do that? Just do this. Yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Easy money.
What's up, buddy?
She had already told me, she goes, there's 2 cops up front, you need to leave. So when she said up front, looked around, wasn't there, and I just bolted. Didn't look back. Yes, sir. There you go. That kind of fork. If it's not, I'll take a Chevy. The new one. There you go. Oh, sorry, bro.
On the last one. Gonna get her finished up and then gonna load them up. Gonna get them taken back to where they were, drop them off, and do another load, and we'll be done. Never mind, I'll do both. Swing that gate, bro. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, we keep track and know what bull bred to what. Done for the day. This is a back-to-back video. When did we record? Yesterday?
Yeah, yesterday.
Yeah. We appreciate y'all sticking by. Hopefully this video is pretty good. Check us out on Instagram at PV Farms Apparel. We're gonna have more hats. I'm gonna drop some pink and red hats. I bet by now they'll be dropped. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate it. Share the video if you can.
Just like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.
Hey, shout out to TV, boy.